Rich actually does help part of the cooking process.
I hold things down. I'm like a rock.
He's the stabilizer.
So my brother came to Valhalla too, and he was helping in the kitchen, do dishes and stuff, and Andrea had him kind of watching the mixer.
This was Dave, right?
My brother Dave, yeah. And
awesome guy.
He had two jobs.
He had two jobs.
And
he turned away for a second.
At the same time.
And the mixer walked off the counter.
Oh no!
And the inside of the
That's how it broke.
That's how it broke.
I never knew the full story. Oh no!
Yeah.
So the glass oven door shattered. And I have never seen gamers run so fast. They thought Andrea was seriously hurt. They were all coming to your rescue, my dear.
Yes, they were.
Good job. Good job, Rich.
Thank you.
Then we finished the last 3 days of Valhalla with one of them.
So I have to tell you, we had the meal was basically ready, and Andrea goes, Shannon, I have hamburger buns in the cabinet where I can make bread. And Shannon goes,
well, mind you, it's going to be another hour, Andrea says. So how much time do you have, Shannon? And I was like, I can wait. You can make bread.
So, yeah, at Battle Haven, you'll have homemade bread with all your meals.
Every meal.
Yeah.
You guys. Oh, so these are the famous beans that Andrea makes. Mouth-watering, guys. It's amazing. I'm so glad you're doing this wedding. Thank you for getting married.
Opportunity to let people see ahead of time some of the stuff, and this is just a glimpse. And this will be the org meal. Because we are theming the meal. You know that.
Yeah, what are your thoughts on that so far?
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Rich was so laughing at me. I'm like, okay, so I have this wonderfully terrible idea that's going to double your workload.
Mine or Shannon? Oh, my workload.
And I'm like, so I want to theme the meals, but not just the food. I want you to build platters and terrain so that the table escaped for the army that the food is designed for. So like Tao.
Everybody's saying sushi. Is that what you're doing?
We are going to do sushi.
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing California rolls, we're doing spring rolls, we're doing wontons, we're doing the dumplings, we're doing, no, it's fried rice, chow mein, doing the whole thing.
Nice. All made from scratch, mind you.
Of course.
Yes. You wouldn't do anything else.
And, but we need people to vote. The very last night will be either Chaos or Tyranid. And I have amazing menus for both. I just want to know what people want. So
I obviously want Chaos because that meal's going to be amazing.
Oh my gosh.
So they have to buy tickets to vote.
Yeah, you have to buy tickets to vote.
Right.
But, so very cool. The Chaos meal is this huge rack of lamb with the bones sticking out of the top and of course, tons of stuff to go with it.
Right.
Amazing. And then anyway.
You said Tyranid was the other one?
Yeah,
the shrimp.
Yeah, like Louisiana-style shrimp oil, but with whole lobsters and
nice.
the bugs, right?
Right.
Crawdads and crabs and everything crawling all over the table.
Very cool.
So, yeah, that's my way of a knife at you.
I know. It's fine, guys. I don't feel threatened by any means. I have hung out with you in the kitchen many a times that I know I will not be cut, and I know what you're doing. So.
But yeah, so it's super cool. We have an orc meal.
What's in the orc meal?
I don't know. I don't remember the food, but I remember it's going to be metal bowls. And she said we're going to put metal patches on the bowls. So the bowls
paint all the rims
red.
Right.
The bowls are ramshackle.
I'll help you paint. I feel like this is something that I could paint. Why? Because it doesn't have to be perfect.
So yeah,
Nice.
It's going to be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
What do you have planned for the orc meal? Do you have anything planned for that yet?
The burger and
Burgers,
bugs.
I think we're going to ramp that up just a little bit. Yeah, I think there's going to be some barbecue involved.
Cool.
So we're going to ramp that up just a little bit.
Work in progress then. I like it.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then, what else? We're missing something.
The Eldar was French. I don't know. I'm not eating that. I'm fasting on the Eldar meal. I don't eat Eldar food.
Right, because you're not going to eat food.
Whatever it is.
Yes.
It's in protest to the Wraith night, I will not be eating French meal.
You know he won't be able to resist.
He's gonna eat, guys.
Before John comes out of the oven, he's gonna be the first one in line. So.
I think I'm the one that said, oh yeah, if it's Eldar, it's gotta be French. Sorry all you Eldar players. And French people.
Oh dear. Alright folks, buy your tickets, enjoy these amazing meals with us, and you even get a chance to vote what we're going to have. Awesome.